Mike, you mentioned a little bit about the journey, the origin of law firm, and Thompson, when you were introducing us, you mentioned about the 50 years in the business. So I wanted to talk a little bit about like what was the vision and the origin about why the business started, and what is the problem that we are trying to solve for our clients.
It started out way back in the beginning in 1971, really as with the idea that law firms could make great clients because they could refer you to important clients of the bank. And I think the bank quickly realized that law firms themselves make really interesting clients in their own right. And I think what the business evolved to over time that's been very different in the industry, and I can't say that we've ever really seen anything quite like it, is a financial services business that's really focused on serving the law firm and its people end to end in a very specialized way. I mean, many of you know that the wealth management industry is predicated upon this idea of wealth band segmentation, right? That financial services firms tend to categorize individuals based on their net worth. The law firm group business evolved in a decidedly different way, which is to say, we're going to work with the most prestigious law firms in the world, and we're going to provide the most relevant financial services to the people who work there from the time they become associates all the way through to making partner and then beyond into retirement.
Our clients need very customized solutions that are catered to their position in their wealth journey, but also their position in the industry. And so when we think about kind of creating this value proposition for our clients, we really think about it as three pillars. One is identifying industry segments which are where we can, with a high degree of probability, predict or depict, the potential growth in wealth of a client before it has actually occurred. Then engage those clients at that right point in time with the specific products and solutions that would cater to their needs at that point of time, and then seamlessly transition them as their wealth complexities and sophistications grow, seamlessly transition them to more complex, sophisticated products that kind of cater to their evolving needs.
There's a multi-strategy approach to winning in wealth, and one of the key components is to have a workplace wealth management business. At that point, Citi really looked at the law firm group as a highly successful business that dominates in its market and began to ask the question, could we adapt that to other similar industries and professions? We got together as a team over a period of time, and we really thought through carefully ways that we could adapt that end-to-end model that I described earlier.
Generally, the segments that we deal with are professional segments, or the segments that we are expanding into are professional segments where the individuals are actually earning, their income is made by charging their clients based on the time that they give them. And so essentially our endeavor really is to make sure that we solve their problems, their personal problems for them in wealth management space in an efficient manner so that their time allocation to these matters is minimized.
What we tend to do is we tend to meet our clients in their place of work or more recently often on Zoom, but we're coming into those meetings highly coordinated with the benefits departments where our clients work, and we're coming into those meetings almost always better informed about how they're getting paid, how their organization's retirement and benefits programs work, and better informed about their total wealth picture than those individuals are on their own. And so, we talked about one of the differentiating factors as being serving the organization really from the individuals from beginning to end, as well as being a partner to the firm itself. And we talked about some of the different products that we bring to the table that have been uniquely developed by Citi for those organizations and the people who work there. But I will say, the third, in my view, major competitive advantage of what we do and what's made our business successful, and I think will continue to work well, is really our people. It's really that team-based approach. And so if you are a Wealth at Work client, you have a wealth management team. And that consists of a private banker and an investment counselor really at the core of that. But you also have a financial planner who is deeply specialized in the goings-on at your workplace. We have a service team, dedicated service team, and wealth planners who provide a lot of the estate planning. And then, of course, the product specialists and experts who can come in very specialized areas as needed. Having a team around somebody to make their lives easy when they have a lot going on, again, I think is something that our clients appreciate most about us. It's also one of the things that gets me most excited when we think about the opportunity in AI. I was just, really truly enthralled by the AI panel discussion and hearing the comments when I think about almost, supercharging the people that we have.